Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can renew Medicaid online. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for the matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your particular medicaid.gov on your web browser, on your computer, or on your phone. Right afterwards, you will be able to land on this official website of theirs. Afterwards, here in the section, you're going to go to the search bar on top and simply type in renew and search it up. Then you will be able to find all kinds of articles regarding it, and the first one you can see, renew your medical or CHIP coverage. You gotta tap on this particular article right over here, and here in the section of one thing that I would suggest you is simply go through all of the information as it has asked. Simply read it properly, and you can see get ready to renew now. Here are some things you can do to proper for the renewal process. First of all, you have to update your contact information as if it has asked over here. Make sure your state has your current mailing address, phone number, email, or other contact information. This way they will be able to contact you about your Medicaid or CHIP coverage. The other thing is you have to check your email for the letter about your coverage, and another one is complete your renewal form if you get one. So form is that it's like optional. If you get one, then you have to complete it. Otherwise, if you want, then you will just have to inform them. If you cannot understand the information on top and you cannot reciprocate or can do it, simply you gotta go to this number and simply contact the Medicaid support and let them know if you would like to renew, and to let them update your contact as I mentioned on top, and let them send you an email regarding it or the form. And here in this section you can see we have another number as well. Make sure to try both of them, or you can see if you're eligible, you may be able to sign up for Medicare, change your current Medicare coverage as well. You can simply tap on this get started with Medicare. If it has been already expired, you can try to create a new one and start a journey with Medicare as well. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.